Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to quickly install a web service on your local computer. You'll need this when you're going to be creating your own static websites, so let's get to it. Normally if you want to serve to your local website, then you just type in localhost, push enter, and you should be able to see your page. Unfortunately, by default Windows did not install this for you, so we're going to add this feature. You have to click on start and type turn Windows features on or off. It's in the control panel. I'm gonna click this and wait for this list to initialize. In here we'll be needing the Internet Information Services and the Internet Information Services Hostable Webcore. I'm gonna click both of them and just press OK. This will install the Internet Information Services web server onto your laptop and you will be able to use a local web server. We'll just wait a bit. Once this has been installed, you'll be able to go to the C drive, this computer C drive, and here you have a folder called inetpub. So the inetpub folder will hold in the www root all your local website files. These ones are just generated now. I'm gonna delete them. Delete. Windows completed, requested changes, close. And now if we are going to serve to our local host, bam, you've been rickrolled. Welcome to my website. So what I did, guys, is in the C inetpub www root, I created a HTML page with a JPEG, and the HTML page is just a very basic one that has some CSS style sheets to set the color, the background color for the website. I'm gonna place this like this, that you can see this better. Up. The title is localhost JsmJanssens. It's here in the title. If you go here, welcome to my website, welcome to my website, and I have a background image rickroll that's not repeated, fixed in the center, so that's what you're seeing. If you want to start creating your own websites, just learn HTML, learn CSS, create your files. You can put them in this folder and you can just see the results here. So it's a very small tip, but I hope you like it. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel, and as always, have a nice day.